Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu was born on 4th November 1933. He was a Nigerian military officer and politician who served as President of the Republic of Biafra from 1977 to 1970 during the Nigerian Civil War. Ojukwu was born in Zungeru, Nigeria during British colonial rule. He was the son of Louis Odumegwu Ojukwu, a wealthy and successful Igbo businessman. Ojukwu was listed in the Nigerian Army in 1957 and rising through the ranks and was made the military governor of the Nigerian Eastern Legion by Major General Johnson Agui Ironsi in 1966. Due to Ojukwu's ethnic royalties and political events, he became the leader of Biafrans during a bloody civil war in Nigeria. After failed effort to broker peace with head of state Yakubu Gowon at the Aburi Accord in 1967. Although recording some early victories, his forces, Biafran armies, were fighting against Nigerian troops backed by Britain, Russia and most of Europe. For 3 years, Odumegwu Ojukwu fought to keep Biafra from being alienated. With supply lines cut and blockade, an estimated 8 million Biafrans slowly starved to death. The Civil War, which ended his 3-year-old country, was completed when Obasanjo received the instrument of surrender from Philip Effiong, Ojukwu's deputy. His exile in Ivory Coast came to an end in 1981. He joined the National Party of Nigeria (NPN) in January 1983 and subsequently attempted to re-enter politics. His bid for the Senate representing the state of Anambra was unsuccessful. In 2003, Ojukwu, representing a new political party that he helped form, the All Progressive Grand Alliance (APGA), unsuccessfully ran for president. He ran again in 2007 but was defeated by the ruling party's candidate, Umaru Yar'Adua, in an election that was strongly criticized by international observers as being marred by voting irregularities. He died in 2011 at the age of 78 in London, England. His body was returned to Nigeria when Nigerian President Goodluck Jonathan arranged a state funeral. Ojukwu had several honors and titles bestowed upon him during his life, including the honorary chieftaincy title Ikemba of Nnewi.
It is possible there are so many ignorant commentary being pushed out under the cloak of intellectualism, but I know my duty to my people. I feel this intensely. I am absolutely certain of one thing, and that is that when all this is considered at any time, at any stage in the conflict, or when the whole struggle is being considered, the only right judgment would be a man doing his duty to his people. If that is all that is said, I am completely satisfied. That is all really I want.